We on? Hey everybody, welcome back to Babes Breaks. Alright, I got our box here. We have the 2021 NFL Playoff Panini box. I say, let's kick right into her, right? Right. Let me know. Are you guys gonna maybe talk to me? Maybe not? It's fine. At this point, I'm just fine. Ignore me. I don't want you guys to talk to me. Just kidding. Oh, these look cool. Packs on packs, baby. How beautiful. Alright, cool beans. Empty box. Do you see it? You see it? Goodbye to the box. Cool. Bye, box. You didn't see it, but I got from. One to the cards. Oh, I thought we were already starting. Great. But we ain't. Alright. Kirk Cousins. Amari Cooper. Rossi Anderson. Jerry Jeudy. T. Higgins. Darren Waller. This glare kind of kills me. Dime Brown, rookie card. Nice, nice. I have a rookie card, a Michael Carter, and a nothing. Nada. On to the next. I have a Robert Woods, Alexander, Chris Carson. I hate these upside down ones. They're not my favorite. Minka Fitzpatrick, Bruce Smith, rookie card, Elijah Molden, Mac Jones rookie card, nice. And I have a rookie card, Travis Etienne Jr., and it's sideways. Lovely. Surprise! Wow, everybody. What is here? Here's I'll start off. How's everyone doing today? I'm back and better than ever. My lovely friend is here. Just jumping in. Just so excited. Wow. Alrighty. Let's get to reading, everyone. Alright. Jesse Tugoley, Jalen Rigger, Chris Godwin, Chenault Jr., Quinnen Williams, rookie card Kenneth Gainwell, autograph card for TJ Hawkinson. Alright. A double card for Lamar Jackson and Marquise Brown. And a nothing. And then a nothing. Lovely. Wow, everybody. Jess is here, guys. Wow. It's real. I told you she was coming. Yeah. I told you. You have a different night. I gave him the rundown. Yeah. For anyone who's new and hasn't seen me, I'm Jasmine. I do what Summer does too. Bye. Okay. Ezekiel Elliott. Already with the upside down. Evan Ingram. Drew Brees. Randy Moss. Drew Lock. Greg Rousseau. Rookie card. Rookie card, yeah. What she said. Ben Roethlisberger. Wow. Wow. Cam Newton. Nada. Cam Newton. So we're back to football. Yeah, we did NBA. And now we're on to NFL. And we're going to go back to NBA. Football? It's weird. Alrighty, start things off with Allen Robinson II, Cooper Kupp, Aaron Jones, Tyler Boyd, Henry Ruggs III, Rookie card for Travis Etienne Jr. Etienne. Ooh. Autograph rookie card for Jalen Phillips.
Woo!
Woo! Lovely. And then Patrick Mahomes II.
Lovely.
Lovely.
Doing a DM, I'm in a mouth, we not the same. Living the phone, the heat, the fire, got the flame. Put it together, back to life again. If we mad at me, they know I'm not to blame.
My day's been good, actually. Yeah. And we got a Kaboom. We gotta show her the Kaboom card. Fantastic Kaboom card. Jamal Adams. Sam Darnold. Yeah, Darnold. Zach Ertz. John Elway. Parker Mayfield. Mac Jones rookie card. Rookie card Trey Lance. Rookie card Trey Lance one more time. And then nothing.
I got way too many missed calls. Think your girlfriend going through her withdrawals. I do what I wanna, God give me big balls. And some hoes that wanna
It was pretty good. Really awesome. Yeah. Regular girl stuff, you know. Okay. DK Metcalf, Russell Gage, Jalen Hurts, TJ Watt, Tremaine Edmonds, DJ Chark Jr., rookie card for Carlos Boogie Baham, Derrick Henry and Julio Jones, and then a nothing.
I just got the feeling like when you get water up there, like that just, I don't know.
You're not drinking water.
I know, I don't know what just happened.
Okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. You're good. You're good. I like this look. You look very cute today.
Thanks. I didn't have enough time to wash my hair, so just
Don't look. Just put it on. It looks cute. Rob Gronkowski. Khalil Mack. Aaron Donald. Justin Herbert. Randall Cobb. Rookie card Nick Bolton. Not Trey. Ooh.
Troy Bolton.
What's you? Ooh, I've never seen one like this. We have a memorabilia for Tariq Hill with maybe 3 colors on there. I see red, yellow, and white. Lovely.
Very nice.
Lovely. And they have a dark Prescott.
Wow, that was a cool card.
Prescott. Whatever.
Tomato.
Potato, potato.
For your friends. We go way back.
Oh, way back to a year ago. Alrighty.
A little over a year.
Okay, Mike Evans, Darnell Mooney, Matt Ryan, Chris Herndon V, Melvin Gordon III, rookie card for Elijah Mitchell,
Why do I feel like a letdown? On the edge, I don't wanna
Talud Tagovailoa, rookie card for Terrence Marshall Jr.
Lovely.
Pretty cool card too.
like my dad, but I wouldn't go store 2 of my kids. No cap, just might pop 10 more of these pearls. So hard to forget.
Translates.
Alright, this is our 3rd pack of this box. After this one, we have 2 more packs left in this box.
Don't know why. I get so fed up. Sometimes it's hard to keep my head up. I get so fed up.
Davis Montgomery,
Sometimes
Cam Akers, Brett Favre, Favre. Von Miller, Chad Johnson, Marcus Allen, rookie card Daz Newsome, and a rookie card for Mac Jones. Very nice. Alright, 2 more packs left.
Why do I feel like a messer? Everybody see me out here walking with the door, but I still wanna
Cute guy saw him when he sat down.
I showed them my shoes. Show them your shoes. I'll show them my shoes. In a sec.
I told him.
Alrighty.
Yeah, let's do this.
Thank you. Thank you. My white. Like my skin. Darius Slayton. Cameron Jordan. Andy Dalton. Jesse Bates III. Michael Pittman Jr., Stephon Gilmore, rookie card for Christian Darrisaw, Hines Ward. That is all for this pack. Okay, last pack of the box. Get stoked. Get stoked.
Sometimes it's hard to keep my head up. I ain't right, but that's alright.
I love life.
Alright. Matthew Stafford. Robert Tonyan. Tyler Lockett. Chris Johnson. Joe Burrow. Rookie card Justin Fields. I have a Quinnen Williams. And a Patrick Mahomes II. Alrighty, everybody. Let's go through our highlights. Oh, JK. I lied.
Oh.
Y'all, to celebrate the Kaboom once again, we have another surprise box. This is our third surprises all night long.
Hey, why don't you sell the Kaboom again? So that people know what we're selling.
It's
from last break. That's why we're celebrating this break.
Okay, this is our Kaboom. Look, isn't she pretty?
Emmett Smith.
It's worth some money.
It's worth some money.
It's worth some money.
Some money.
Some money.
Right. Nice.
Okay, so this is our third celebration box of the night, y'all. Let's get into it. Since I've been opening up all the boxes, Jasmine, please give me an introduction.
Thank you so
Oh,
much.
she's scooping inside.
I did.
She said we both did.
I did.
Oh,
Oh, let me show my shoe first.
oh, look at her shoes. Look at them. Look at them.
I know. Thank you.
They nice.
Very cool.
This is the Panini Contenders Football 2021.
I mean, the whole day today, I thought it was 2021.
Oh,
I don't know why. Then I forgot how old I was. I also thought it was Tuesday. It's been a weird day. Alright, empty box, just so everyone can see. Got all the packs right here. Beautiful, beautiful. There you are. Alrighty, move our little slicer to the side. Get a pack right here, and let's get to opening. This is our celebratory box for the Kaboom, as everyone knows.
nobody's been talking tonight, by the way.
I can see that.
Yeah, it's been pretty silent.
Alrighty. DeAndre Hopkins. 2 Taganovi Lioya. Chase Claypool. Carson Wentz. Terry McLaurin. Aaron Donald. And Jonathan Taylor. Pretty cute ones.
Lovely. Scoop back in. She pushed me away.
This one feels thin.
She's not a thickie, everybody. DJ Moore. Alvin Kamara. Drew Lock. Russell Wilson. Jonathan Taylor. Kyler Murray. And a Trevor Lawrence.
Yay, buddy!
Lovely.
I hope everyone's having a beautiful, wonderful night, even though no one is speaking.
I even
threatened them. I hope everyone is having a good night.
I'm just gonna put this on these sardines. Oh, I'm so sorry, camera. I didn't mean to hit you.
How much did that mess it up?
It did.
Alrighty. Let's get to reading, everyone. Alrighty, we got Josh Allen, Jacoby Myers, Ezekiel Elliott, Juju Smith-Schuster, David Johnson, Derrick Henry, and a Tom Brady.
Lovely.
For Chanas.
Thank you. She's also not a picky.
Cooper Kupp, Sam Darnold, Michael Thomas, Amari Cooper, Justin Herbert, lots of Justin Herbert, Mark Andrews. When we're doing NBA, there's like a bunch of LeBron James. Willie McGinnis. What she said. Alrighty, 2 more packs left in the box, everyone. Alrighty. Nelson Aguilar. Dak Prescott. Ben Roethlisberger. Randall Cobb. AJ Brown. Matthew Stafford. Randy Moss. Alright, nice card. Last card. Jesus. Maybe it's not a graph in here. Maybe it's not a graph in here. I don't know. Oh! Oh, look. Oh. I'm gonna, I'm gonna, see that. Okay. We got another 400 points to raffle up. Okay, y'all know what that means? Panini Rewards. Thank you. Let's take this number out.
What can I spin?
Yes, you can. Ooh, what is it? Numero 13. Number 13. Let's see who it is. Let's see who the short is.
Texans.
Texans.
Congratulations
So if
to
you
the
got
Texans.
the Texans, you just won that 400-point little
It's worth money.
rewards card.
Take that.
What's a moolah? Alright. Now I saw that. Let's get started. Okay. Trey Dallas White. Damian Harris. Mike Evans. Tyrann Mathieu. Marquise Brown. Adam Thielen. Alright, pretty nice. Nice. Alright, everybody, let's go through our highlights this time around. Show them around, slide them through. Alright, again, here is the rewards 400 points card for the Texans. Cool. These are our highlights for this break. How exciting, everybody. And don't forget about the Kaboom card we got earlier.
Congrats to who won the card.
Yes, always congrats. And congrats to everybody who got one of our highlights tonight and got some awesome cards as well.
Yeah, this one was really dope too. I liked this one.
Yeah, with
you guys
these
can
colors
see the
of the
3 different
memorabilia.
colors. I don't know. Oh, I can't.
Black.
Well, I think it's just my goodbye. This is my goodbye for tonight, everybody. It's my goodbye. Yeah, and we'll be back in 2 minutes. Well, Jazz in 20 minutes. Jazz will be back in 20 minutes. And I'll see you guys next week. And Jazz will be with you guys soon.
Yeah, see you soon.
Bye.